Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to install Sourcebook, which is an interactive programming environment with the power of AI for TypeScript and JavaScript. Sourcebook not only enables you to build an app within TypeScript, you can also play around with the TypeScript notebook. There are a lot of other cool features with this application and I will be discussing them after we get it installed locally, and then we will play around with it. One of the thing which I think they need to improve is that it doesn't work with any local model at the moment as far as I know, but you can use it with various other model providers including OpenAI, Anthropic and few others. Now, if you don't know what TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that adds optional static typing and other features to improve the development experience. It is designed to help developers catch errors early and improve code maintainability, so making it a popular choice for large and complex applications. TypeScript is compiled to JavaScript, which means it can be run on any platform that supports JavaScript, including web browsers and Node.js. So that was a bit of an introduction to TypeScript. I hope that now you understand a bit more. And I don't see many projects, especially AI powered ones, which use the power of AI in order to build applications in TypeScript and JavaScript, because this is one of the most used languages out there, I believe, especially when it comes to web development. So enough talk, let's try to get it installed and we will see how it works. Before that, let me give a huge shout out to our very good friends at AgentBot who are sponsoring this video. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Let me take you to my terminal where I'm running this Ubuntu 22.04, and though I have this GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM courtesy massed compute, I'm not going to use this GPU card because, as I said, it doesn't work that well, the source book, with local models, and they highly recommend to use it with Anthropic's Claude model, but I'm going to go and use it with OpenAI's model. So you can set the key in your environment before you start it. And if you're looking to rent a GPU, by the way, on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to Massed Compute's website with a discount coupon of 50%. So do check them out. Now, one of the prerequisites which you have to have on your local system is Docker installed. You can see that I have this recent version of Docker installed. If you don't know how to install Docker, I would highly recommend that you search my channel. I have done a very simple to follow video on Docker. First up, let's git clone the repo of Sourcebook, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. Next, let's build the Docker image of this Sourcebook, and this is going to take some time. Either you can set your OpenAI's environment variable before or after this in the environment variable. So let's wait for it to get installed, and while that happens, let's talk a bit more about this tool. Now, as I said, not only you can build your TypeScript-centric application with it, but also it is open source Apache 2 license. It runs locally on your machine. The only thing is that you would need to use your model either with Anthropic or with OpenAI. You can also create, edit, and run web apps. Plus, you can use AI to generate the boilerplate, modify the code, and fix things. You can even edit the app with a hot reloading web preview. So it's almost there. Let's wait for it to finish. Shouldn't take too long from here. And by the way, this is not the only way of installing it. If you don't want to install it through Docker, you can go with npm or pnpm. You can check that out from their repo. There are a few steps which you need to follow. So everything is installed. Next up, let's run this Docker image. So you can see that in this command, we are running it locally on our port 2150 at localhost. We are doing the port mapping, plus we are also mounting the Docker volume. It is going to start all the packages. This takes few seconds, like 10 to 20 seconds. So let's wait to get ready, and then we will access it in our local browser. And there you go, it is running on our local host at port 2150. So let me take you to my browser. And this is a very minimalistic sort of interface. I think they can improve that, but anyway. So and I'm assuming you already have set your API key. Now the first step, we need to build the app. So just click on this create app here, and then it is going to ask you what exactly you want to build. I'll just say create me a dating app. That's it. And then just click on this, just press enter or click on this arrow button, and then it will start building your application. You can see that on the left hand side it is building something, on the right hand side it is showing you what it is building. So it is generating the TypeScript files, as you can see, some profile card or stuff. And it has also created the plan, that user profile creation, browse other profile, like pass functionality, match notification, and all that stuff. Pretty good, actually. You can see it is really, really good. So let's wait for it to write code. You see, it says that writing code. And this is API based. So keep an eye on your cost to the API one. It could get expensive pretty soon. And I think it has developed it. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. So there is some Sarah, so why not? Mike, no. No more profiles. So you see it works. So look, this is really fabulous, and you can then change it. You can say, okay, change the app color to pink maybe, and then it is going to show it in the pink color. And then of course you can, it's a coding assistant where you can play around with your app. You can add more features, you can remove the features. If there is any bug, you can check it out, and then you can just evolve your project in it. You can even point it to the existing project and start working through it. So looks pretty good to me. I think the interface could be improved, but not bad. I think as long as this functionality is there, who cares really? And it is almost there. And as I said, I'm using OpenAI's model. Their recommendation is to use Anthropic Sonnet Claude model, the 3.1, which is really good model. But I think that's slightly bit expensive, and my API key is already at the verge. Okay, so you see the pink color is there. Really, really good stuff. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what do you think about it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. And if you are already subscribed, please do me a favor and share the channel and the video among your network. And as I have said numerous times before, that this is the only marketing I do. So I totally rely on you people to share the videos and share the channel. And I'll be very, very grateful if you do that. Thank you for all the support.